as you know that we are here to decide our future, what kind of person you are. You have to just kick out all of these things because I don't like these things.
I decided to marry you with you.
Okay.
Hey Suman, how are you doing today?
I'm doing very well today. What about you?
I'm also fine. Yeah, we can see that this is a very nice cafe. I talked to you first that where do you wanna go? Then I decided that this cafe would be good for us.
Your choice is very good. This cafe is literally very good, and I like their vibe a lot. So I want to, as you know, that we are here to decide our future. So I just want to know about you. I just want to know each and everything about you, and just tell me about yourself. First of all, what kind of person you are.
So I am a very kind with my nature, and I am just very friendly with my friends and the people whom I know. So if I talk about my personality, then I want to work, and I am a very loyal for my work. I am a very down to earth. So
First of all, I just want to say this that be comfortable with me. Just consider that I am your best friend and just tell each and everything very comfortably with me and please don't hide anything, no matter if it is bad thing of yourself and it is good thing of yourself, because I just want you to be very positive and very honest with me.
actually, it is happening why because I never went and I never experienced a date before it. So it is happening, and I don't know why because I don't want to be with someone or friendship with someone because it is in my nature that I am not, extrovert with anyone.
It means you don't have any your best friend or your friends.
Yeah, I have so many friends. I have male friends and one to two females as well.
Are they close to you, your female friends?
No, not that type. We went for 2 to 3 places. We all went. It means our group went to Rishikesh and Haridwar as well.
Nice. It was nice. Do you like to travel and explore?
Yeah, I like very much.
Tell me, yes, tell me the places.
Even I dreamt to go with my own bike and my car as well.
Good. It means you like riding as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Riding
is there
plus.
any question you wanna ask to me?
I wanna ask to you 2 to 3 questions, just not more.
Yes, you can ask.
See, I don't that type of person that I'll judge you. I'll judge on basis of your past. So I don't like past as well. So I'm a futuristic person, and I'll be very loyal with you. This is my thing. And the question which I want to ask to you that is, what's your opinion about after marriage? Would you like to be with my mom and dad, and or would you like to, just rent a flat or
live separately.
yeah.
No, I'm not a person like this who lives separately after marriage. I just want to live because I am a person who never gets a parent love. So I really need, if I will get this chance to live with your parents and get a second chance to get that love again in my life, then definitely I will choose to live with your parents because it is something when we will get for very few time. So it is a very luxurious things for me because I can feel this thing that living without parent is not that much simple that nowadays people are thinking that we will live separately and then we will live happily. It is not a good thing.
Firstly, I was getting afraid of these kind of things, and I said to my mom and dad that the things which are going on in this world, that a girl got married with a guy, and she just left him, and she was asking for 3 crores of alimony. That's why I was afraid to getting married of a girl. I said to my mom that I am not capable of facing these kind of things.
No, this is why you should first learn to the person to which you are getting married, and this is why I'm here today, because the as I am here to see you, you are also here to see me as well. So it is really important to know about each other's feelings, know about each other emotions. So my question is this to you, that are you a spiritual person? Because I am a spiritual person, I'm a very spiritual person, I'm a devotee of Krishna. So uh, do you also are you also a devotee?
Yes, I am sometimes. I can say that sometimes I meditate for purify my soul, and sometimes I go to temple as well. It's because I am a working man, so I am not getting so many chance to go. Whenever I get time, I'll spend my mom and dad, and I feel that the peace is here.
Yes,
So
to your mom and your parents.
yeah.
It is also good thing that you have your parents.
But if I talk about meditation daily, but then
Yes, meditation is also a good thing. It is also a way to connect to the God.
yeah.
And so, as you are here, so I want to know about you, that what kind of things will you do to make your wife happy?
I can do anything if she wants to be with me in my, bad situation, worst to worst situation, and happy to happy situation as well. I can do whatever I can do.
Okay. Do you wanna ask something to me regarding my
Yeah.
career, my affairs, and everything? Because this is a necessary thing.
In front of me, it doesn't matter that how you used to live with your ex or someone else, because how you are living with present person, it matters to me a lot. So past doesn't matter in front of me.
Okay. So I think I'm going to live my life with a good person.
What do you like to eat in traditional foods, or I can say
Yes, I like to try traditional
Chinese?
foods. No, not Chinese and those things. I really like Indian foods, because in India we have different kind of food. Like we have in India we have South Indian foods, North Indian foods, Northeast Indian food, and there are millions of varieties. So why will I choose Chinese food and Greek foods and these things? Actually, as I said that I'm a spiritual person, so I am a pure vegetarian. I don't like to eat non-veg and even onion and garlic, because as I said that I'm also a devotee of Krishna, so I don't consume onion and garlic. So are you non-veg?
Yeah, but I thought
Non-veg, then I will not marry to you.
that's why I was talking to my mom and dad that is she non-vegetarian or vegetarian. My mom and dad said that no, she is totally vegetarian. She never ate chicken. I heard. Is it right?
It is right.
It is a very big
Since
thing.
childhood. So I know that I also got to know about this thing from my relative, that you are a non-vegetarian. So Should I leave? Yes, of course you should. You have to be. I mean, you have to be vegetarian. You have to leave this thing,
Because I never thought about it that I should leave or
because as I enter your home, you have to just kick out all of these things, because I don't like these things.
yeah, I have to do. So, do you want to have something? Tea, coffee?
So I'm a tea person. I'm a coffee lover also. I like to. Why are you not ordering something? We are just talking like hell.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll order. Don't worry. So, do you, know something about the degrees of today's generation, that they are preparing for AI and something else?
What will I do to know this thing? I don't have to do these things.
Because I have an interest to gain knowledge from everywhere.
If you have interest, then you can do whatever you want. But I just want you to be happy, whatever, no matter whatever you are doing. Just think this thing, that because of your actions, nobody will or nobody harm or nobody will feel sad. That's it. If you're doing something good, then believe in yourself. That's
Okay. Tell me your favorite subject.
my favorite subject is geography.
Geography.
Yes, because I like since childhood I like planets. I also I used to very curious in my childhood that how this day and night happens, how the moon is lighting in the sky in the end.
All about nature.
All about nature.
Yeah.
Okay, do you like animals?
Yeah.
Do you have any pet animal at your home?
Yeah, I used to keep, that love birds and a parrot as well.
What does it mean, love birds?
Love birds, those colorful birds.
Colorful birds.
Yeah, yeah.
What kind of birds? I mean, what is the breed of it? I mean, it is parrot or
Who looks like, parrots.
parrots?
Yellow, red,
Okay,
blue.
okay, okay. I am.
Yeah, sky blue. That kind of bird I like the most.
You're a
Because,
bird lover.
yeah.
Nice. I also have a parrot at my home. I will.
But I am feeling ashamed that I am a parrot and I am a bird lover and I eat chicken as well.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Then why are you not leaving this habit? If you are calling yourself as a bird lover, then you should not eat these things. And I also saw so many people that they are calling themselves animal lover, but later they goes in a restaurant and they have chicken and XYZ things. What kind of animal lover these are? I just hate these kind of people a lot.
So let be these kind of subjects. So what do you think that when should we get married?
I think when you became successful in your life, when you become successful in your life, and when you think that you are eligible to marriage a one more person, and with family and so these things, and when you think that this is the time to need a partner in your life, so I think. And what is your opinion on it?
I can say that I am satisfied with myself, and I can say that
When you
yeah,
feel
I can.
satisfied,
Yeah, I can manage one more person with me.
yours.
Yeah, that's it.
So, do you think that I am a good person to be your wife?
Yeah, you are. Because in this era, it is hard to find a person like you. So I liked you very much. I'm gonna talk to your parents as well.
When will you talk to your parents?
I already talked to my parents.
That you are agree
There, yes.
without meeting.
Yes.
It's nice, nice thing.
Because if a female has a feeling like do not we should not hurt to someone else. So it's rare to find a girl like this. I decided to marry you with you.